Hello, my name is Marlon Levin here at John Amato Nissan. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new 2018 Nissan Altima. The Altima offers a signature V-motion grille centered between LED daytime running lights and halogen headlights. It can come outfitted with 17-inch alloy wheels or the new Midnight Edition blackened out wheels. The Altima have 5 trim levels, S, SR, SV, and SL, which come equipped with either a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that generate 179 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. In addition to the SL trim level also comes a 3.5-liter V6 engine that generate 270 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque. You can also say goodbye to the gear hunting with the Xtronic CVT continuous variable transmission. With fully variable ratio, the CVT always delivers the perfect engine speed whenever you step on the gas. The CVT also helps with fuel efficiency. The Altima has a fuel tank capacity of 18 gallons, which you can experience 27 miles per gallon in the city, 38 miles per gallon on the highway for the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and 22 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles on the highway for the 3.5 V6 engine. The Altima provides the best in its class 15.4 cubic feet of cargo capacity. It also offers zero gravity seat, which is designed to help reduce fatigue on long spirited drive, and it has 60/40 split folding rear seats with armrests. Both rows of seating offer excellent headroom and legroom. The cabinet is surprisingly quiet with only minimum road noise detected. Cloth seats are standard. Premium cloth and appointed leather are also available. The Altima standard technologies include blind spot warning, 2 USB ports and auxiliary input, Bluetooth phone connectivity, streaming audio via Bluetooth, a 7-inch touchscreen color display, hands-free message assist, Sirius eyes free, advanced drive assist display, rear cross traffic alert, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The Altima safety technology includes intelligent forward collision warning. It's intended to warn you before a collision occurs. It can't prevent a collision. Automatic emergency braking. It detects an impending crash within another vehicle in time to avoid or mitigate the crash. These systems first alert the driver to take corrective action to avoid the crash. If the driver response is not significant to avoid the crash, the automatic emergency braking system can automatically apply the brakes to assist in preventing or reducing the severity of a crash. By utilizing these technologies, we'll assist with stopping your vehicle from crashing into the vehicle ahead of you. Thank you for checking out the video for the new 2018 Nissan Altima. For more information, visit us at amatonissan.com. Amato, where we're driven to make you happy.